Hey guys, welcome back to DMAC Customs YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be working out where to put the fuse panel, fuse holder in the old Area 51 project. Last video we did was mounting up the ECU so then we could figure out firewall holes and grommets, which I still haven't got grommets for it yet. Proven to be harder to find the sizes that I want. But part of that process is I've got to figure out where I've got to put the fuse panel in a nice, discreet but accessible location up under the dash on the Area 51. Okay, so let's get at it. Right, next up I've got to figure out where that's going to go. So next on the agenda, where's my fuse panel going to go? Alrighty, so I've got a plan in place for mounting up my fuse box relay holder central nervous system sort of thing. So here we have my cardboard template and for 1.2mm. So I'm going to endeavour to draw this up, draw it on, cut it out and fold something up, put some swages in it, make it strong. I'll show you how it's going to work once we've got all this cut out. Hey guys, just want to quickly interrupt this video to politely ask you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. That'd be really choice, and yeah, because otherwise you'll miss out on all that is the Area 51 project, and you don't want that, surely. Okay, back onto it. Okay, back again. This is going to be my fuse panel holder. Okay, so probably thinking, what the hell is that cricket bat looking, not really, thing. Anyway, I'm gonna run a couple of swages up it just to give it a bit of rigidity. It's pretty rigid anyway. It's going to have a couple of folds in there as well, and I'll show you once I've kind of done all that how it's going to be hopefully mounted up under the dash. This is all theoretical at the moment, so but we'll see whether it's going to work or not. So, should I do the folds first or the swages? Might do the folds. I'll go and chuck a couple of folds in this, and then I'll do the swages first because otherwise the wheels might get in the way of any folds. Depende. Right, swager over there. Okay, update. This is where we're at so far. So this is going to bolt up under the dash, and I'm going to weld a couple of wee tabs onto the firewall from the inside, a couple of little plug welds, I'll show you later. And this doodad will be bolted up like that. That way, I think. So, pretty straightforward. Just got some weld through primer on the back of the little tabs that I've got to weld onto the firewall and onto the firewall. So I'll clean back the steel, sprayed a little bit of that stuff on there. So I'm going to set about putting all the rib nuts into this and bolting it all together. So then I can kind of put it in place and tack, I won't bolt that on, but I can tack the do my little plug welds, tack those in, and yeah, you know, I just have to mark a couple of holes into this, drill and put some rib nuts in those, and then that's that bit done, I think. We'll see. Alrighty, so that's my fuse holder thing up in place now. All the final fasteners are pretty much in there. I don't know if you can see that, but welded a couple of little tabs onto the firewall really badly and then bolted the rest in. I've just got to test fit the actual fuse panel up in there, see how it fits. Should fit fine, I think, hopefully. Alrighty, so there's my bracket with some etch primer on it, so it'll seal it all up for whenever we get round to painting stuff properly. So there it is. I'm just going to put it back in just for look-sees. Alrighty, so that's my fuse panel holder or upper mounted up under the dash. The reason I wanted to mount it somewhere like it is and have it bolt in and all that kind of stuff and be easily accessible is it's sometimes, especially building the cars, you've got these things in and out and in and out and in and out about 400 times, especially when it comes to wiring. So I wanted this to be kind of a quick release if I needed to be able to just pull the whole fuse panel down and get at other stuff up above it if I need to, you know, like when I'm wiring up gauges and brake lights and things like that. I can have this down here running all the main wiring and then basically tie it all together and feed it up there. Yeah, so there's my fuse panel mounted up. I can have that down in either 2 screws off the panel or 4 off the mounting thing, me bob, and then yeah, bring it down and work on it. Well guys, I'm going to leave it at that for this little video on how I mounted my fuse panel in the Area 51 project. Thanks for watching. Be real cool if you subscribed if you haven't already. Yeah, don't know what I'm going to do next. Bit of time's getting divided between helping my son out with his old little Mori miner there. So yeah, not quite sure what I'm going to do next. I need to get some steel because I've got some stuff to do in the boot. So I need to get some sheet steel to be able to get that underway and do a few things on the Mori. So till next time, take it easy. Cheers and peace.